Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to download Facebook ad library videos, I'm going to show you how to do that quickly and easily. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is go over to facebook.com/ads/library, and you will get onto this page. And basically from here you can see that you can search for ads and you can search categories and so forth. So what I've done is I've actually just gone ahead and searched for ads pertaining to shoes. You can now see that there are a bunch of ads running over Meta. If you go over to the top right hand side of any one of these ads, you can see that there's three dots. You can tap on that. Now from here you can see clearly it says report ad and copy ad link. Now when you copy ad link, it gets an ad library URL for this ad. That's all. You don't actually download it. So I'm going to show you how you can actually download it. We're going to go up to the top right hand side. We're going to go to the three dots, and we're going to look for extensions. Once we're in extensions, we're going to look for Visit Chrome Web Store, and we're going to jump in there. Now from here we're going to look for an extension, and it is AdLibnote, and we are going to tap on that. We're going to open it up. Now it will be most likely the very top one. You can see over here it says download ads from Facebook ads library with one click, save ads videos and organize them. So we're going to go ahead, click on this extension over here, and on the top right hand side you can see it says add to Chrome, and from here you can see up on the top right hand side it is saying that it is now being added. We can now go ahead and actually download. Now if we go back to the Meta ad library, it still has no changes. We are going to now refresh this page. Now, as you can see on each one of these ads, there is a small download icon next to the three dots that we previously clicked on. And as you can see right over here, if you go down and have a look at any one of these, you can now see that every single one has a video download icon just next to that. You can go ahead now and actually just click on it, and it'll literally be downloaded to your device. You can see up over here, it has just gone onto my downloads. And there we go. This extension is very powerful. It's awesome and it's very simple to use. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.